Hi boys and girls, I'm going to read you a story today. In your digital day folder, you will find a sheet that you will need to fill out at the end of this story. The sheet will have setting and characters. So our goal or I can statement by the end of this story would be I can find the setting of the story. Remember, the setting is where the story takes place. Your other goal or I can statement is I can find the characters of the story. Remember, the characters are the people or animals in a story. You will also need to fill out the title and author. At the top here, we have the title of our story. The title of our story is called Llama Llama Home with Mama. Down here at the bottom, we have the author of our story. Remember, the author is who wrote the words. The author's name is Anna Dudeny. Llama Llama, morning light, feeling yucky, just not right. And boys and girls, you will see a lot of rhyming words in this story, so I will point some of those out and you can help find them with me. The first one I see on this page is the word light. I also see one right below it that says right. Light and right. They both say ite. Down to breakfast, tiny sneeze. Sniffle, snuffle, tissue please. Llama's head is feeling hot. Llama's throat is hurting lots. Achy fever, stuffy head. Llama Llama, back to bed. And I bet some of you can make a text-to-self connection. Have you ever felt icky and achy just like Llama and had to stay home from school with your mama? Time to rest, no school today. Mama Llama brings a tray. Fruity medicine tastes yucky. Llama Llama's throat feels gucky. Here I see some rhyming words. Yucky and gucky, they both say ucky. Look around, not much to do. Trucks are boring, tractors too. Make a tunnel for a train? Llama Llama, fuzzy brain. I want you guys to think about that. Why do you think Llama Llama has a fuzzy brain? Do you think maybe it's because he's still feeling yucky? Mama Llama gets a book. Have a listen, take a look. Heavy eyelids, drippy nose. Llama Llama starts to doze. That word doze means he's starting to fall asleep. Up again and feeling better. Draw some pictures, make some letters. So it doesn't look like Llama Llama has a fuzzy brain anymore because he got his rest that he needed. Llama wants a sandwich, please. Mama Llama starts to sneeze. Lunch is over, time for toys. Mama's head does not like noise. Oh, I think the author is giving us some clues here. Looks like Mama Llama is starting to sneeze and her head hurts. Can you draw a conclusion? What do you think is happening to Mama Llama? Mama coughs and Llama yawns. How long can this day go on? Mama snortles, hacks, and wheezes. Llama Llama's sick of sneezes. Here's some rhyming words. Wheezes and sneezes, they both say eases. Soggy tissues, gobs of guck, sniffing, snorting, sneezing, yuck! And we've talked about this, boys and girls. I noticed that the author put all of these words in big capital letters. So that means they want to emphasize that they're really tired of all this sickness. Llama Llama, red pajama, sick and bored at home with Mama. Wait, Llama Llama knows what's best. Mama Llama needs a rest. Get more tissues, bring a cup, fluff a comfy pillow up. What else could Mama Llama need? How about some books to read? Just the thing for Llama Llama, sick at home, but with his mama. It looks like Llama Llama is helping his mama just like she did at the beginning of the story when he was sick. This is the sheet that should be in your digital day folder, so this is what you will need to fill out at the end of the story. So again, our goal or our I can statement was I can find the setting of the story, so our setting is right over here, and then I can find the characters of a story. So you will need to find where the story takes place. Again, that's the setting. So you're going to draw a picture of the setting, and then you're going to find the characters. So the characters are the people or animals in a story. Also, you will need to fill out the title up here at the top and the author over here. So remember, good readers always go back into the story to look for details to make sure their answers are correct. So you can go back to the video and find the title at the beginning and the author's name to make sure you have those all spelled correctly. You can also go back and look for pictures of the setting and pictures of the characters that you have seen in this story.